We go one step further as we're treated to 2 shots of dummy units, the entire iPhone 17 family, in fact, represented by dummy units, both black and white. We have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the iPhone 17 Pro, the iPhone 17 Air, and the iPhone 17. All of these devices should be making their official debut in September, with the iPhone 17 Air being the thinnest of the bunch by a rather significant margin. It will be 5.65mm thin. iPhone 17 finally brings support for a higher refresh rate. The Pro and Pro Max variants come with the support of the Promotion Display Tech, which offers a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate of 1 to 120Hz. This feature might finally become universal across the entire 2025 iPhone lineup. We still don't know the exact refresh rate. The standard iPhone May 17 feature a larger 6.3-inch display, up from the current 6.1 inches. Apple may introduce a new 24MP front-facing camera replacing the current 12MP lens. The devices are rumored to run on Apple's next-generation A19 chip, built on an advanced 3nm process for faster performance and better energy efficiency. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.